I think that DDLJ till today is a film that has taken a life of its own.
Yeah.
It doesn't belong to us anymore. I mean, we can take credit for making a film, of
It
course.
belongs to us now.
Yes, it does. I believe that it belongs to everybody who has made it, part of, like, I had people come up to me and tell me, हमने ना अपनी बेटी को जब 5 साल की थी ना बैठ के पिक्चर दिखाई. Now I'm like, you've made it a household, a part of your house, a part of your culture, a part of your growing up memories. So that's not us. That's not, we can't take credit for that, for it to have reached where it is.
What was special about Karan Johar back then?
I think he was just really cool. He was funny. He he was a great writer, thought differently at that time. And he was not scared of who he was. I think that was the great part about Karan, was that, he was a bit nerdy, but at that time, but he really wasn't. He wasn't scared to go out and become a director, despite the fact that, he was maybe looked at and, he had never directed a film before. He had not done anything. He had just maybe assisted Adi for one film, and he went ahead and made the film and wrote his film and became a director. So he wasn't scared of standing up for his dreams. I think that's the difference between succeeding and making it as you are.
And I have to ask you with Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge.
Yeah.
Same question I asked you about Kuch Hota Hai. Did you know it's going to become this?
Not at all. Like I said before, I think you do films and you really hope. I think Adi, I remember, I think in the BTS, he's said it also. अरे ये picture hit हो जाए, बस hit हो जाए, बस उतना ही काफी है. Hit हो जाए, बस उतना ही काफी है. So that's really how you go about making a film. You just hope and pray कि music चल जाए, picture चल जाए, Friday को बस लोगों को पसंद आ जाए.